In this video, I will show you how I earn affiliate commissions on Warriorplus using this same system. The main idea here is to send traffic to a capture page to collect emails, build a list of prospects or subscribers, help them with what they need, and then you can promote to them at the back end on the thank you page and also on the follow-up email series. Actually, you can start promoting the affiliate offer right after collecting the email. You can set up the system in a way that anyone who opts in is redirected to your affiliate link as a bridge page. So if they buy, you get an immediate commission to cover a part of your advertising expenses. If they don't buy, no worries, you are still able to generate sales from the thank you page or the follow-up email series when that traffic is warmed up. Now here are the main points I consider when preparing a campaign. First of all, I need to find an offer to promote on Warriorplus, and in this case we will be doing a page builder. This system is already promoting Leads Leap as a page builder, but I want to use the promotion angle as an alternative. I want to offer my prospects not only Leads Leap as a page builder, but I want to offer them another alternative. So if they don't buy from left, they will buy from right. So number 3, I want to create a lead magnet, and this is covered by this system here. The lead magnet in this case is the lead capture pages and also the training to customize them. Number 4, I want to create a capture page specially for that offer. And then number 5, I want to be able to promote at the back end. And now here we are at the Warriorplus main page, and what I want to do to find the offer to promote is head to the affiliate menu here and click on offers. Then I like to sort them by launch date so I can see the most recent offers that are displayed in the marketplace. And these are the sales, so the number of sales for each offer. This is the conversion rate, and this is the refund rate. This is what I look at before choosing an offer. And actually I went down a little bit and I found this offer here called Webby AI, and as you can see, since the April 20th they made 250 sales and there is a 0% refund rate. That means that people are happy with the product, so this is a good thing to do. I want actually to promote this one because it is a AI driven ClickFunnels killer and website and funnel builder. So the page for this offer, if you click on the title, you'll see the affiliate page, and you can see that the prices range between $17 and $198, and the commissions you can make range between $8 and $292. So this is a good offer to promote. And then this is the funnel, so these are the commissions. You earn 50% throughout the funnel. And the sales page, you click here to see the sales page and see what exactly they are offering. It says brand new AI driven ClickFunnels killer app builds and hosts stunning funnels and websites in any niche with a single keyword. So if I go a little bit down, I will see more explanations. So step 1, log in, build, profit. And here's just a sample of stunning sites you can launch in minutes. Membership sites, sales funnels, sales pages, webinar registration pages, landing pages, squeeze pages, websites for local businesses, fancy sites for bloggers, affiliate sites, lead capture pages, CPA pages, company websites, video pages, thank you pages, and so much more. So this is really a good alternative to Leads Leap to build websites for ourselves or for our clients. So after reading through the sales page, you can go back to the affiliate page and request your affiliate link, and as you can see, I already have my affiliate link. And what I did is that I went to the rebrandable thank you page that you will be getting if you upgrade, and I put a link to Webby AI just below this video here that you are watching right now. And if you want to access that tool and use it, you can just click here and purchase it and start using it. You also have the chance to plug in an affiliate link for the best application that uses ChatGPT, which is very popular right now. So this is part of what we said before, promoting at the back end. You are promoting affiliate offers and related offers actually to what you are offering on your thank you page, and chances are that your future subscribers will buy from these links here and you will make a commission. Now, let's say that you want to promote another affiliate offer and you need to create a lead magnet. The best thing to do in this case is use ChatGPT to create your lead magnet, and for that you head to chat.openai.com. And let's say that you want to promote a popular offer that is offering training about generating web traffic using AI. So like I said, AI now is very popular and people are using it for different things. And one of the most important things in affiliate marketing is generating traffic. So if I have an offer that offers a training about generating web traffic using AI, what I will ask ChatGPT to do is, what are the best lead magnet ideas for an affiliate funnel promoting a training about generating web traffic using AI? So let's copy this phrase here or this prompt and put it here and see what happens with ChatGPT. So ChatGPT will go ahead and give me some ideas, and I can see here that a free AI powered website analysis, AI traffic generation checklist, AI powered traffic generation tool, free ebook, create a free ebook that provides in-depth guide to using AI to generate web traffic, AI driven webinar, AI powered case studies, or free trial. You can also use, for example, an email course like a 10 days email course or 30 days email course, and have ChatGPT give you more ideas and give you the content itself. You can say something like, can you write a 7-day free email course about generating web traffic using AI? So let's go ahead and ask that to ChatGPT. So let's paste and click enter. Now it will go ahead, it will go to work and bring us the 7-day email course about generating web traffic using AI ideas. So day number 1, introduction to AI driven traffic generation. Day 2, AI powered keyword research, content optimization, social media promotion, AI powered link building, AI powered analytics, and next step is a conclusion. So now you can ask him to elaborate on that and give you the actual content for the emails and use them as a lead magnet. So far we found an offer to promote on Warriorplus marketplace, and we found it with a high conversion rate and a 0 refund rate. We found the promotion angle, which is the alternative according to the lead magnet that we are giving away in this case. So always give a lead magnet that is related to a promotion angle. And then for creating capture pages, you can just you are welcome actually to use the capture pages we are giving away on this hot crazy offer. And also to promote at the back end, you can turn one of the capture pages to a thank you page, or use the rebrandable thank you page we are offering here to promote at the back end. And also don't forget to set up follow-up email series. If you take the upgrade for this offer, they will be provided to you a 7-day follow-up email series. If you are using another offer, you can use ChatGPT to generate emails for 7 days or 10 days or 30 days. It's up to you. So thank you very much for making it so far, and I will see you on the next video.